Are you a business owner and entrepreneur who wants to learn how to generate leads on YouTube? If so, then you are on the right place. Hi, my name is Rose Gumera and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am an entrepreneur and the founder of YouTube for Business, intended for Filipino small business owners and entrepreneurs. On my YouTube channel, I will be posting videos about YouTube strategies and also interviews with today top online business owners every single week.
Alright guys, let's welcome Miriam Humalon. Hello everyone!
I believe that YouTube is the best platform to share your message to the world and build your brand, create impact as influencer, and also generate leads for your business. If you are passionate about this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my regular uploads because I know you will love that.